Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to collect donations through your Wix website but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a sleek donation campaign using Wix donations, so you can raise funds for your cause, whether it's a community project, nonprofit, or personal fundraiser. Let's get started. First, head over to your Wix site's dashboard, and from there look for the App Market. It might take a second to find if you've never used it, but think of this as the software store for your site, where you go to add new features. In the search bar, just type Wix Donations. Once you see the Wix Donations app pop up in the list, go ahead and click Add to Site. This is your launchpad. Adding this app is what gives your website the fundraising superpowers it needs. Now, once the app is installed, a new section will appear on your dashboard. Look for Manage Campaign. That's where all the magic happens. Click into it, and you'll see the option to Create Campaign. This is where you'll actually set up the donation drive your visitors will see. Let's slow down a bit here and talk about the basic info section. The campaign name is super important. It's the title your supporters will see when they check out. Imagine something like Annual Community Fundraiser, clear and inviting. Make it specific enough that donors instantly know what they're supporting. You can also upload an image to represent your cause. Maybe it's your organization's logo, a photo from past events, or something that really captures the spirit of your campaign. A good image can help build credibility and emotional connection with your audience. Next up are the settings, which is where you tailor the giving experience. One key detail is donation frequency. Some donors might want to give once, while others might want to support you every month. By enabling flexible intervals like one-time, monthly, or even yearly donations, you're making it easier for donors to help in the way that fits them best. Now, suggested donation amounts. This step can make a huge difference. When you offer set amounts, like 500, 1,000, or 2,500 pesos, you're guiding supporters, making it less overwhelming to decide what to give. What's even better is adding descriptions next to each amount, like helps feed a family for a week, or provides supplies for a classroom. That way, donors see their impact right away. Of course, always give folks the freedom to enter a custom amount if they want. Just set reasonable minimums and maximums so everything stays manageable. Setting a campaign goal is another best practice. When people see a clear fundraising goal and how close you are to meeting it, it sparks motivation. It's like watching a progress bar fill up. Everyone loves to help hit that target. If your project will keep accepting donations after you reach your goal, you can choose that option too. And if you want to build urgency, consider setting a fundraising deadline, so supporters know how much time they have left to contribute. Don't forget to give donors a way to include a note with their donation. This adds a personal touch. They might want to dedicate their donation in honor of grandma or share a word of encouragement. You can customize the note title and even set a character limit just in case. Once you've filled out all those options and you're happy with the setup, click Save. It might take a moment. If you need to tweak anything later, don't worry. You can always return to these settings. Now, just close out of the dashboard and you'll see your shiny new campaign on the list. Select your campaign, and that's it. You're ready to start collecting donations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to share your own fundraising ideas. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Wix tutorials and creative website tips. Good luck with your campaign!